Welcome back, everybody. So another Will It mix. Stacy, what are we mixing today?
Toothpaste.
I mean, listen, we're not running out of ideas. At least we definitely have ideas. So, Crest toothpaste. Okay. You can. Oh, disclaimer. You cannot brush your teeth with this slime after you get done mixing this. I'm gonna do the clear. Stacy's got the white. Look at the clear. Clear is so great. Super happy with the clear. Crest toothpaste, huh? Oh, it's like the gel one too. I was thinking it was like the 3-color one for some reason.
Yeah, me too.
Huh. Wait, let me, I got this. Crest. What? Is it the right? Okay, I was just making sure it wasn't upside down. Crest toothpaste. There you go.
I actually think I got more than you this time.
Hey, I like you coming over to the dark side. You know, you got to make sure you got plenty in there. Actually, this actually looks really cool.
Oh, it does look cool. Check that out.
Is that not cool? Huh.
Oh, mine's. Oh. Mine's.
It looked cool there for a minute. I can smell it too. It's like.
Mine is disintegrating again. Oh, I mean, like, just like
The Baby Ray's?
the barbecue
The
sauce.
Baby Ray's barbecue sauce? The barbecue sauce is great.
No, I'm serious. Look.
Yeah, mine.
Just like the barbecue sauce.
Mine is completely. It smells really good though. It's very mentholy. So, yeah, yours is done, huh?
Done.
Done. You can't even pick it up. Will Crest toothpaste mix into slime? Absolutely not. It is definitely a fail. It's still kind of cool though. It definitely did better in the clear than it did in the white. You cannot brush your teeth with this. Disclaimer, please, it'll make you sick. Thank you guys as always. We really appreciate all the comments, all the subscribers, all of the followers. Me and Stacy really enjoy doing this. It is fun. We hope everybody has an amazing day, and we'll see you in the next video.